decorate our own colors. First, we're
going to show how to mix color orange. Which color do you have, Aiden?
Yellow.
Okay. So
make sure you put only one drop. One drop of yellow dye.
Okay.
Mix it with the mixer.
Remember, tell people that you're putting it in water.
Yeah, because you don't want to put it in vinegar.
Okay.
Or anything else. Okay. Then we're going to add the color. Eddie, you can do this one. Okay.
Red.
No, I'm just being kind. Red.
Okay.
You want anything? Okay, lovely. Okay, I'm very good at this.
So which color have we gotten?
Orange.
Bright orange. Okay.
Now,
Wait, no. Let's first go to the next one. Now, let's first create another color. Now, in the next tab, let's mix. Braden, mix. Let's try and mix blue and yellow.
Blue. No, how about red and blue?
Okay, red and blue.
No, let's try what you said.
Put whichever color.
Okay. Yellow first.
Okay, so a drop of yellow. Stir.
Stir. Agitate.
Okay. Aiden.
Okay. Blue.
One drop of blue.
Blue.
Okay. Braden, stir.
I want to stir, so I get to.
So we had yellow, we added blue to become green. The next one.
No, we like that.
The next one.
And then we.
The next one add red and blue.
Red.
In the next thing add red and blue. Let's try red and blue and see. Okay. The last one here.
And then you did both. Red.
The last one. Okay. Braden, put a drop of blue.
Stir. Agitate.
Put blue. Aiden, put blue. So we had blue. Now we had red. Now we're adding blue. Let's see what happens.
Now we are gonna use.
Okay. Agitate. Make sure that.
Agitate.
Okay. So let's get a pipette.
And let's
get some orange.
Put some orange.
Put it in an empty shell. Empty. Yeah, those ones. So mix with green. Get a bit of green. Put it in the orange.
Okay. Orange.
And then remove your head. So orange plus green mix.
Dark green.
Dark green. So get a bit of the blue.
Yeah, but I want it. Okay.
And then give Braden.
I
get a bit of the blue.
So I need. Oh yeah. Get a bit of the blue. And
put it in an empty shell.
Empty shell. Squeeze more.
Put in the green and we see.
It's gonna become turquoise.
Okay.
Sorry.
It becomes like a turquoise.
Yeah.
So blue and green makes a turquoise. So what about if you make a red in one bit of the water, like here?
Yeah. Just red?
Yeah, just red. Now get a green. Add it with the red.
Mix it here.
What color is
It's
that?
like black.
It's not black.
It's
like a yellowish. It's like a.
Let me use this.
It's a scoop and we see.
It's grayish brown.
Yeah, it's like a brownish.
Grayish.
Yeah, it's like a brownish grayish. Okay. So is there any other color you want to mix?
Oh yeah, I want to mix this blue.
Okay.
And then we add it to this color.
Okay. How's a dark blue?
Okay.
What if you add the orange to the green?
Orange, just mix up. To this green.
The light green.
This one. This one. Oh, I have an idea. So we'll get this blue. We'll get this blue. And then put it here. The hole. And then add orange.
You need to balance the colors.
Yeah, and I was going to put orange.
Put the orange.
I was going to put orange.